Hello guys! In this tutorial, I'm going to show how we can install a Windows server on OVH Dedicated Server. So by default, Dedicated Servers comes with a Ubuntu Linux edition of operating system, but we can install our own choice of Windows according to our preferences and without paying any monthly cost. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can install a Windows Server 2019, and you can do it from an automated software that you don't need any knowledge about the coding, you don't need ISO file, or you don't need any monthly fee. So let's get started. So here is my OVH Dedicated Server. I will open my server here. The first thing that we need to do is to make sure the server monitoring is off. So make sure that you have disabled the intervention, and once the intervention is disabled, what we need to do is wait to restart the server into a rescue mode. So click on boot and choose a rescue mode, and for the demonstration purpose I will choose a password authentication, and here I will just enter my email ID, and on this email ID I will get a rescue password. The rescue password is a one-time usable password that will be used for authentication of our server. Now let's wait for the server to boot into rescue mode. Alright, as we can see, the rescue mode has been enabled on the server as a boot device. Now what we need to do is to restart the server so that server can go into a rescue mode. So from here, I will just click on Option and click on Reboot. And we can also see the status of our server from IPMI KVM. So KVM is like a screen that will help us to see the screen of the server happening behind the scene, which cannot be accessed while it is in boot mode or when it is booting. So with the help of KVM, we can see what is actually happening behind the scene. So just click on your web browser KVM and wait for this KVM to be enabled on the browser. Now click on Access the console to see the KVM screen. Alright, this is the screen of our server, and it is currently in rescue mode. Now we need to wait and check out email for the rescue password. Okay, so this is the password that I receive on my email, and I need this password. So I will just keep everything in a notepad. So this is my rescue password, and I will leave my server IP as well. I'll go ahead and copy the server IP. Now let's move forward and install the Windows Server 2019 on this dedicated server. Now open the tool by digitaldrone.com. The link is in the description. Now here we need to enter our server details, so I just copy by server IP from here, and the rescue password which we got from within our email, and connect the server. Connection has been established with the server, so in case you enter a wrong rescue password, make sure that you enter a correct rescue password, and the server is booted into a rescue mode like this. Now here we need to enter the order ID. So the order ID for the demonstration purpose, I will be using this 9947, and the email ID which I have used for the purchase validation, and from here I will choose Windows Server 2019. Now for the disk configuration, keep everything as automatic and keep the advanced mode off. We don't need to enable this, and click on Validate Order. Now the validation is complete, and here are the sections. You can see everything, all the details of our server, order ID, and vendor, server edition, and the validity of the order tool. Now click on Start Installation. The installation has begun, and it will take around 4 to 5 minutes. So just sit back and relax until the installation is complete. Alright, since the installation is complete and we can see here the installation successful, the percentage is under. Now we can, what we need to do is to reboot the server into what we need to do is change the boot mode to disk and restart the server. So we'll go to the OVH panel again, and here we will change the boot mode back to the hard disk. Alright, so the rescue mode is set. Alright, now we need to just restart the server. Great, now it will take few seconds, a few minutes to start the server, and let's hope everything is fine. Alright, the Windows is ready to use. Oh, so okay, now what we need to do is click on Show Credentials on the installer tool, and this is the credential of our remote desktop protocol. Now let's connect with the remote desktop protocol. Here paste the IP with a port number. Make sure to enter the port number as well. Click on Connect and enter the username and the password. I'll click on Connect. Perfect. The installation is complete and everything looks great. Let's see the status of our Windows. Click on About section. And we can see the Windows Server 2019 Standard Edition is successfully installed, and it is permanently activated, so you don't have to worry about the license key. It is a permanent license. Now let's check the internet speed. The internet speed is really amazing. Provided by the OVH Cloud, it's really fast. That's how everything is working fine. To place the order, you can go ahead and open the website link in the description to place your order for Windows installation on OVH Dedicated Server. Thank you so much for watching this video.